Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get this Valentine's Day eyeshadow. Like, wow. Well, yeah, anyways, we're just gonna start off with the shade Burnt Orange, and I'm gonna be taking that on my crease and all over basically my eyelid, just because I'm gonna be taking this as my transition shade today, just so I don't make the shade that I'm gonna apply next.
I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive?
Alright, so now I'm just gonna be taking this Fat Lash mascara from AOA and applying it to my bottom lashes. I also did use this for my top lashes, by the way. Now I'm just gonna be taking this Revlon liquid lipstick. I don't know the shade at the moment, but I'll leave it down below. It was too pink for me, so then that's when I mix it with the Beauty Bakery's liquid lipstick. It's like a brown shade, so I mixed it together and I got like a little dark pinkish type of color. I don't know, but it was perfect for the eye look. I just didn't like it by itself. Alright, so now I'm just gonna be taking my Amazing highlighter and I'm gonna be applying it to my cheekbones and also onto my nose. Alright, so now I'm just gonna be taking this brush and I'm gonna be applying the highlight onto my brow bone also. Alright you guys, so this is the final look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this Valentine's Day look and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!